big snacker. I am usually the one that considers myself a huge snacker because I eat periodically throughout the day. But the great thing is that I don't feel guilty about it since all my snacks are healthy and fully packed with amazing natural ingredients. Welcome back to Clarissa's Kitchen. For those of you new to my channel, I'm Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you 2 easy, simple energy ball recipes that require no baking at all. The first one that I made is what I call an anti-inflammatory energy ball recipe, and this is perfect if you are looking for something to reduce inflammation, if you're trying to load yourself with a lot of antioxidants, or if you're trying to boost your immune system. This is a really great snack, and it has a perfect amount of turmeric and ginger powder in them. The second recipe is what I call a protein energy ball snack. Now before we move on to the recipe, I would absolutely love you guys can support my channel by hitting the subscribe button right down below and the notification bell, as I do post videos every single week. Now let's get on to the recipe. First up is the anti-inflammatory energy balls. In a food processor, you'll want to add about 6 to 8 dates, and I would recommend to add 8 dates to ensure the mixture can form into a ball shape. Then add 1/4 cup of coconut flour, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. Then after, close the lid to the food processor, then pulse until the mixture starts to clump together. As you can see, I added another date since the mixture wasn't forming together as properly. Now it looks a lot better. Carefully take out the blade, then take about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the mixture and form into a ball. I like mine to be like a 1 or 2 biter, but you can definitely make it as big or small as you please. Just a heads up, the turmeric powder does stain yellow, so after you form the energy balls, make sure to wash your hands afterwards so it doesn't leave any yellow stains. I would also recommend to use gloves in case you are worried about the staining part. Then sprinkle some salt to garnish and it's ready to enjoy. Next up is the protein energy balls. Like we did before, add about 6 to 8 dates, and I would recommend 8 to 9 dates this time. Add 1/4 cup of your favorite plant-based or regular protein powder, and I use Orgain vanilla protein powder that I've listed the link down below in case you guys are interested. Next, you'll add about 1/4 cup of slivered almonds, and this is optional if you want your energy balls to have more crunchy texture. If you do add this, you might need to add 1 or 2 more dates or another tablespoon of almond butter to have the mixture come together. Next, you'll add about 1/3 cup of almond butter or peanut butter. Add a pinch of salt, then pulse together until the mixture clumps together. As we did before, roll about 1 to 2 inch balls, then sprinkle with salt or more slivered almonds, and it's ready to eat. As we did before, roll about 1 to 2 inch balls, then sprinkle with salt and or more almonds, and it's ready to eat. I love how filling these energy balls are, especially if you're looking for a pre or post-workout snack, or honestly just trying to get through another hour or 2 for your day. I really like these, and so if you want to make extra, I definitely encourage it. So there you have it. Those are 2 simple, easy recipes for these energy ball snacks that you can quickly whip up in your kitchen and that requires no baking at all. What I also love about these is that you can put them in your fridge if you like them chilled, or you can leave them on your counter. Just make sure that you keep them in a tightly sealed container or a tight Ziploc bag. That way you can keep them as fresh for as long as you can. But honestly, like if you are like me, like a snacker, you probably will get through them in the next like 2-3 days. So just make sure if you want to make more, just double the recipe that I had provided down for you below. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. It will really support my channel, as well as hitting the subscribe button right down below and the notification bell, because I post videos every single week. And if you like to see recipes on a daily, I also have an Instagram account. You can follow me at Clarissa's Kitchen, and there's tons of other recipes and IGT videos and little tutorials that I think you guys would absolutely love. So love your support on both ends. Thank you guys for watching again. I will see you guys next time in Clarissa's Kitchen. Would you guys consider yourself a big snacker? Because I definitely am.
Try it cold.